What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lord from the Money Etiquette Group, and here's your crypto news for today. Of course, if you're watching the market, you're seeing the market plunge. You're seeing prices drop and values drop across the board, everywhere, almost everywhere. Prices are dropping. And because of that, people wonder why. There's some news come out that said that, the entire cryptocurrency market is going to fail. Did something come out that would generate such a negative response to the market? The answer is no. Nothing came out. What happened was, one, people started selling before Christmas. Two, once people start seeing other people act, people do the same thing because they see value dropping. But here's the truth about investing in cryptocurrency in any market. You don't lose until you sell. As long as you hold, you actually retain that value until you sell it. So if you sell in a hurry and you sell out of panic, you lose the money that you've gained or the value that you've gained because obviously you sold under pressure. But at the same time, a lot of people are saying, well, the whole market is down. The whole market is not down. The majority of the market is down. But there are spots where you can still be earning money, but you have to know what to look for and know where to go. One thing that I pay attention to is I pay attention to influencers. And a very important influencer said to purchase Burst. Broke down why, said it's a great coin and it's undervalued. And of course, I said, okay, well, I'll take my shot because it could be a good coin. But at the end of the day, in the short term, I know that this coin is going to gain value based on his word because it's happened time and time again. That's the reaction. And that also proved a point that people are just reacting. Because if people are willing to put their money behind a coin just because an influencer says so at a high pace, I'm talking about at record volumes for this coin, it shows you that people are just following trends. And when the trend is down, people follow the downtrend. However, this happened in the previous months. There are always going to be times where coin prices go down significantly. And at that time, it's the best time to buy. So right now is a buyer's market. Everything's on sale. You're getting an early Christmas sale. Before the end of this year, all these gains are expected to be returned. So I wouldn't panic right now. I wouldn't go crazy, but I would understand that if you are in this market for long term, then you have to hold. If you're in it for short term and you run, well, you get your losses and you get your gains. Also, a couple weeks ago, or a couple days ago, really, I posted a video warning you, if this is what you're doing with your bill money, then you're going to pretty much have a tough time in this market because times like this are going to come and you're not going to be able to stay because you're using bill money and you need it back immediately. Don't do this with your bill money. Do this with money you can allow to sit. And understand that even though I'm not advocating for any coin in particular, the example of what's happening with Burst based on the influence of one person shows what's really happening in this market. It's not bad news came out and people reacted. People are reacting to other people. People are reacting to people who control the markets. Stay calm, stick to your strategy, whatever that strategy is. Keep watching the markets and know that, again, it's a fire sale. Everything can go for cheap. Buy cheap. Remember, the game is to buy low, sell high. And also, one more thing. Remember, if you were that person that said to yourself, man, I wish I would have got it at this price. Today, you can do that. Don't hesitate a second time.